PlanetTogether has flexible system settings so you can customize the app to support your daily workflows and for your convenience. Some settings address your individual needs, while other settings are for all users. To view or change the settings, click on the blue Settings tab in the upper left to reveal a list of system settings categories in the left navigation pane. In this video, we'll take a look at Database Manager setting. In the Database Manager setting, select Connect to a server. Then you enter a server name or use the drop-down. What this does is it allows you through PlanetTogether to actually connect to your SQL database without having to use another app, such as the SQL Server Management Service. Enter your credentials in here, click Connect, and confirm the connection. And all the database tables and fields will show up in this area, and you can use it just like SSMS. To return to the main screen, click the back arrow icon in the top left corner.